Good Wednesday evening, pre-Thursday. The Twinkies got their heads handed to them in New York as expected. Heavy favorites, the Yankees. The heavy favorites. My son is asking me what Twinkies here as we watch the Dodgers Cardinals game. Anyways, you can see here on the chart we have broken out of this wedge. It all came after hours after the Alcoa earnings announcement. We are now trading 1063 and a quarter. You can see the projections here on my top here. Minus 38.2 of 64.40, and then you've got 66.75 and then 69.11 are the next areas. So looks like we are going to be trading up to 1070 tomorrow. I'm not sure if this is going to be a throw over like we had a throw under back here. This again is a 30-minute chart, but again I said you had to respect the upside. We still have not closed over 1055. Remember today's close, that's right, today's close was still under 1055. We closed it around 1053. We're up 10 here after hours, but we did not close over 1055, and this is a crucial point for all those wannabe traders out there. It's all in the closing prices that matters most. So keep this in mind tomorrow. It is likely that we will close right now the way it looks, but again, we are now a straight moonshot of 52, 53 points up off the bottom that we saw on Friday at 10, 75. So we are now 55 points up, or about 5.5% up in 3.5 days. Really, since the Friday open, we're up again 5.5%. So keep this in mind. Again, we are breaking out. If we close over this 1055, we should see somewhere in that 1075 area projection if we do close over it. So that all depends on tomorrow's close. Again, not too many more economic numbers expected tomorrow, but we'll keep an eye on this. So that's it. If you want to look at this on a smaller time frame, just so you can see how this broke out after the Alcoa numbers, and then you saw another big spike. I want to show this here. Here was our close. Here is the 115 close right in here at around 1053. We then reopened on the Alcoa spike, took us right up to 1058. Pulled back, and then once we started cruising up right into the pre-Nikkei market opening, and then we took off once the Nikkei opened here at 5:30 on the West Coast. So the rest of this was the Nikkei follow-through. You'll probably see another little bump possibly on the European follow-through around midnight Pacific, which is in, again, about 5 hours. So if you can get a pullback tonight back to this 1055 area, please buy it. I would bet if you got that, we'd still be higher from that price tomorrow. So overnight, if you want to trade them overnight, I'd buy a little at 55, a little bit more at 50, and the biggest chunk at 45. Those would be the areas I'd leave all-night orders in. I'm not going to chase this up here after we've had a 5.5% move. That's your choice to do that. Again, tomorrow we'll come in clean if we don't buy those levels. And again, I'd put a stop in overnight at 44 if you do buy those levels down. So that is it. Have a great night. Another great day trading in our private room. If interested, just check out our service on the private Twitter feed. If you buy from us right now, $200 for the first month gets you 1 week access to the video service, which is the premium service. So please join us. Check it out. For $200, you get to check out, at least get our calls or entries, exits, and make some predictions there. So that's it. Have a great night. Go Dodgers. Yanks on the scoreboard with 1-0 over the Twinkies. Peace.